here, Alo Ali, on my keto fitness journey, and I hit a huge milestone today. Yay! I've been with my husband nearly 30 years, and I have always struggled with my weight in all those 30 years. Well, let's face it, I'm 50 tomorrow. I think in all of my 50 years. In my earlier years, I used to struggle with, I had rheumatoid arthritis, so inactivity and bad food choices and, bad relationships with food. I was a very simple eater, and I've always struggled with my weight. When I met my husband, almost 30 years ago, he's basically very naturally skinny and active. He runs, he does half Ironman, and he's always been, I think at the worst, probably after I had both our kids and my hips got worse. I think I was probably 3.5 to 4 stone more than him in weight. I am the height of sartorial elegance today. It's cold, so I've got to have my hat on because I've just washed my hair. Anyway, and today, so I've been really fully on my keto lifestyle now since Easter 2019, so that's probably about 21 months. And since we're spending a lot more time at home at the moment, I was a little bit laid back about it, a little bit what they call dirty keto. I don't keep completely clean because this is a way of life, so I basically eat what I want when I want, but avoid all the really processed foods and the big main 4 carbs, bread, rice, pasta, potatoes, and limit my other carbs. But if I'm going to have carbs, I'm going off track here, but if I have low carb, I'm low carb rather than keto a lot of the time. But I just stick to that general principle and lifestyle with 1 or 2 cheats, because we've all got to live. And today my husband came and weighed himself, and he was 10 stone 12, which is about in the middle to top level for him. He's 2 or 3 inches taller than me. And yesterday when I weighed myself, I was 10 stone 12 and a half. I was like, it's been my target forever to weigh less than my husband. So we had a little bit of a laugh and a joke about it, and I got up, blew my nose, went for a wee. Couldn't have a poop this morning, didn't feel ready, but weighed myself, and I weigh the same as him today. And this is something that I never, in all my years of yo-yo dieting, trying low calorie and all that kind of stuff, I never dreamt that I could even come close to weighing the same as him. And I'm just so happy because it's my 50th birthday tomorrow. So much healthier than I've been all my life. And now I'm there. Now I share the foods that I eat in my social media, and I fully accept that this way of eating is not for everybody. Some people think they couldn't live without carbs, and they think it's really hard, and to be honest, that's where I was when I first started as well. And yet people saying, but it's Christmas, so are you going to loosen up a bit and have some treats? Well, let me tell you, when you're fully engaged with the keto lifestyle, products with natural, normal sugar in. I don't like those words, but you know, with what people would call normal sugar in. Products which have got very processed with a lot of carbohydrates in. Hang on. Daisy! Come on, gotta head back. Come on. Where is she? Daisy, come on. We've got to head back this way. I haven't got the shoes for the muddy bits today. Come on. Yeah, if you are fully converted into fat burning, which means you've got your body used to using fat as a fuel instead of burning the carbs that your body will always process first if it has them, then overloading your body with a lot of sugar or with high carbs can make you feel really, really ill. Because basically you've trained your body to burn the fats, and then all of a sudden you really confuse it by not knowing what to do. And it's a very personal thing. On my support group that I'm on, you know, some people can have quite a few carbs and a little bit of sugar and it not affect them, and other people it can give you like a hangover feeling. And it's my son's birthday today. He's 25. It's my birthday tomorrow. I'm 50. I at the moment weigh less than when I got pregnant with him for the first time ever. First time in 25 years since I had kids. And yes, I could have normal birthday cake, and I could decide to have chips or normal bread or something like that. Roast potatoes on Christmas Day. But why would I do that to my body? Why would I then want to feel a little bit shit? It's not a treat. And the secret to being successful in this way of life is by doing your research, getting good and inventive in the kitchen, which is where the Keto Fitness Club support group has helped me. And just giving yourself so many choices of delicious food to eat that you don't even consider eating anything else. Right, I'm going to have to cut this video short. There's a dog walker coming and I'm waffling on as usual. But really today it was a, yay, I've hit my target. But I'm keeping going. And I'll speak to you soon. Bye.